Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's MC Seth here, coming at you from the spare room. This time we're going to be talking about Initiative Queue again and how you can secure even more queues for your account. So let's get into it. Right, so those of you who don't know, I run the Serial Carnage YouTube channel and I basically give tips, tricks and tutorials about how to make your print-on-demand site as good as it can be. But I also give tips on how to make extra sources of income online too, and this is one of them. So if I just flick you over to my webpage here, you can see that this is the dashboard of your Initiative Queue website, and you can see I've secured 431,558 queues. Now, I mentioned in my last video that they plan to make a queue worth $1, so this is looking quite good at the moment. And even if it doesn't make $1, say it makes like 1% or 0.1%, we still made a little bit of cash there, so it is very good. And that's the worst case scenario. So anyways, this is how to make how to secure even more queues. If I open my activity feed here, you can see that you'll get queues for your second generation invite bonus. I'll go into that in a second, but the first one is the app referrer bonus. Now, however many queues you secured when you first signed up for your account, you'll get that again just by signing up for the app or installing the app on your telephone. So make sure you do that, and everybody that installs that app that you've invited, you'll also get a little kickback as well. And I think it's the same amount as you signed up for, because if you can see here, this 9,521 was how much I got when I initially signed in. So that's kind of the amount. And I think actually the app referrer bonus is a set 5,000. Yeah, there we go. It's a set 5,000 for me anyway. It might be different for you, because as you know, the later you are to the Initiative Queue program, the less queues that you will be able to secure once you sign in. So it's best to get a move on and get signed up as soon as you can. Now, the best way I've found to secure extra queues is just to follow your invites. You get 15 invites initially, and once you fill those, and every time you refer somebody, you'll get an invite bonus down here. Now, I'm going to have to cut out all these names, which is a bit ridiculous, but it's just something I'm going to have to do because I haven't asked these people to be displayed on the internet, so I'm not going to ask them. I'm just going to cut them out completely. So down here we've got invite bonuses, and you can see my sign up bonus at the bottom there as well, which is slightly more than what I get for an invite bonus. And you can see you get 15 of these, and once you get to 15, I didn't actually make the 15 within time, so I lost out on this 9,521 queues. I didn't get that one. But as you can see, I get lots of app referrer bonuses just for people installing the app. Now, the second generation invite bonus comes in when you've done your initial 15. It'll give you another 15. Excuse me. It'll give you another 15, and from the 41st invitee ending with the 120th invitee is when you'll start earning extra queues for these guys. So every time that one of your invitees invites somebody else to the platform, you'll get a second generation invite bonus, but only from the 41st to ending with the 120th. So that's quite important to remember, but it does go very fast. And what you can do is you can do what I'm doing, make a video about it and get it out to a lot of people. Or you can just send it in your friends groups, but it's more like a program. It's not really a program, but it's more in the line of cryptocurrency. It's not cryptocurrency, and it will tell you exactly what it is if you go into the FAQ and the about section. It will tell you exactly what queues are and what they plan to do with them after they get the sellers on board this year. So if you want to secure tons and tons more queues, you can see I've nearly got 500,000 queues there, and a lot of my invitees, you know, they're only up to sort of 5, 6, 13 invites. So if you can get a good selection of invites, obviously they're all going to be different, and somebody might not invite anybody. I've got a few of those, but it really doesn't matter because you get the 30 invites, and out of those 30 I've got an extra 62 members on the list, and every time one of them gets signed up, I get another 9,521 queues, potentially $9,521. So that's all I wanted to really say about this video on how to secure those extra queues. But install the app. That's an extra 5,000 views straight up, and everyone that you invite, encourage those to sign up for the app as well, because they'll get an extra 5,000 too, and you'll get a little app referrer bonus too. So yeah, I'm not going to waste any more of your time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.